Well, I mean, I can't say enough about collaboration. I love getting connected with amazing people such as yourself. And there's 3 pieces that I think everyone needs to focus on. Your diet, which I would include fasting and detox in that, but your diet, detox, and exercise. You know, if you're not increasing the capacity of your body to store more glycogen, which happens, I think you get like a 4,000% increase in storage of glycogen, which is a storage form of sugar, by regular exercise. So you play such a vital role on this, you know, this pyramid or this structure that we create for health. And if we're not experiencing this state of stress through exercise, we don't get this adaptability. I teach a lot about adaptability, and it's applying a known stress, calculatable stress, to elicit an ideal response. And if you're not doing that with exercise, you're not getting full benefit of what your body needs to be experiencing. So we live in a sedentary culture, and they say that sedentary lifestyle is the new smoking, right? So if we're not moving, and if we don't have people to connect with, I mean, you've got an amazing following, and you guys are doing so much amazing work. So it's so helpful to have people such as yourself promoting what you are promoting and getting that word out there that exercise is vital. And it's not just about exercise. You talk about nutrition, other things too. And so that's those are the backbones. So diet, detox, and exercise. There you go.